Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get more FPS on Roblox. So first of all, let's play any game. So let's play this please donate game and I'll show you how to increase or uh, how to get more FPS. Let me close this window and let me volume down. You can hear it clearly. Now, if you want to guys, if you want to get more FPS, what you need to do, you have to go to in settings. Now you have to go in settings and now just come to this level, come to this graphic quality and just keep this graphic quality to the lowest point to increase FPS. If you keep your graphic more, then it will reduce your FPS to make it stable. So if you want to increase FPS, then you have to reduce your graphic. As you can see, when I increase the graphic quality, it creates shadows and trying to make a real graphic. But if you just reduce the graphic card, it will just remove all the 3D effect on the game, and it leads to more graphic FPS if you reduce your graphic quality. Fine. So yeah, that's how you can do it. And now if you play this game, now you will notice that there is no frame rate drop, frame drop. And yeah, that's it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.